Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to control buttons on your headphones JBL Live 660 NS. First button what we have is a slide button, so slide up to turn off your headphones and also slide up to turn on your headphones. Cool. Now, after that we have a volume up button, so press one time to increase the volume. Cool. And if you press and hold it, you will play next song. After that we have a play pause button. Press one time to pause the song and press one time to play the song. Cool. After that we have volume down button. Press one time to lower the volume, and also if you press and hold this button you will play previous song. I cannot do it in my version of Spotify, but you can. After that we have a Bluetooth button right here. You just press it to enter pairing mode. And after that we have a button to turn on NNC mode, so you just press one time to turn on NNC mode and press one time to turn off NNC mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!